Solana wallets hacked. Michael Saylor resigns as MicroStrategy CEO, and the biggest asset manager in the world pens a deal with Coinbase. These stories and more this week in crypto. Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in crypto. The Solana ecosystem experienced an attack that saw thousands of Solana-based wallets compromised and around $5 million in assets stolen. The Solana team explained that the addresses affected in the hack were tied to the crypto wallet app Slope, where users' private keys were exposed. If you're using a hardware wallet, your keys have not been compromised. MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor has stepped down as its CEO so that he can focus on the acquisition of Bitcoin. To quell rumors that he was forced into the move as a result of a failed strategy, Saylor said that the price of Bitcoin has increased 94% since MicroStrategy adopted its Bitcoin strategy in 2020. Shares of Coinbase soared 30% after the exchange announced a partnership with BlackRock that will allow its institutional clients to buy Bitcoin. Coinbase will provide crypto trading, custody, prime brokerage, and reporting capabilities. BlackRock is the largest asset manager in the world with more than $8 trillion under management. Meanwhile, Coinbase is now facing increased scrutiny from regulators, with the company becoming the target of multiple lawsuits. In two new filings, plaintiffs claim that Coinbase made deceptive representations regarding its business. In a separate lawsuit, an ex-Coinbase manager is being accused of insider trading, and Coinbase is also being investigated by the SEC for allegedly trading in unregistered securities. Fairfax County Retirement Systems, a U.S. pension fund with assets totaling $6.8 billion, has revealed that it's investing in crypto lending markets. Chief Investment Officer Catherine Molnar says the yields that they're able to achieve in a yield farming strategy are now really attractive. The world's largest derivatives exchange, the CME Group, announced that they will be offering Bitcoin and Ethereum futures contracts denominated in euros pending regulatory review. CME says year-to-date, the EMEA region represents 28% of total Bitcoin and Ether futures contracts traded, up more than 5% compared to last year. India's financial crime agency has frozen $8 million in assets of the crypto exchange WazirX. Regulators are probing the trading platform over alleged money laundering. A spokesperson for WazirX said that while they don't agree with the allegations, they have been fully cooperating with the Enforcement Directorate. Meta is beginning its international expansion of NFT support on Instagram. Users and businesses in more than 100 countries will now be able to share their NFTs on the platform. In addition, Dapper Wallet is now accepted as a third-party wallet as Instagram expands support to Flow blockchain. Prominent Chinese miner Chandler Guo has said that he will fork the network to create a proof-of-work version of Ethereum after the merge. Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, has suggested that his exchange Poloniex will back the move, saying that if the Ethereum hard fork succeeds, that they will donate some Fort ETHW to the community to build the ecosystem. British fintech firm Revolut plans to increase crypto-focused staff by 20% across the globe over the next 6 months, ignoring the bear market. The hiring push is intended to help Revolut expand its cryptocurrency offerings, as they see crypto as a long-term play and remain bullish on the crypto industry. That's what's happened this week in crypto. See you next week. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere.